This is the course preview for the Providence Road Races half marathon. You'll start your race about half an hour, 8 o'clock, after the marathon runners on Sunday morning. But you start and you finish in exactly the same spot. That is Burnside Park or near Burnside Park on Exchange Terrace. You're going to go down a hill at the start and then take a quick right-hand turn onto Memorial Boulevard, then hop over a bridge and you're on South Water Street. That's a nice new pedestrian bridge on your right-hand side right there. 1 mile marker just before you cross under the highway and head into India Point. Might have a little bit of a headwind at this point with that wind coming in out of the east. Then you'll be up Gano Street for about a mile or so before taking a right-hand turn. You will split off from the marathoners, or the marathon course, I should say, at about 2.25 miles. And you're heading instead Blackstone Boulevard and up towards Pawtucket. And this is a great place to run. So many people train here throughout the year. Blackstone Boulevard, nice and flat too, so you have that to look forward to. Once you get to the end of the boulevard, you'll go up onto East Ave, still heading in the general direction of Pawtucket. You're almost halfway through your race at this point, hitting the 6-mile marker right around here as you take that right-hand turn, a couple of them actually on a Pleasant Street, and then you begin your trek back in the general direction of downtown Providence. So from Pleasant Street, then you're going to come up Alfred Stone Road. That is a little bit of a climb, a little bit of a hill, back onto the boulevard, which is nice and flat and in a spot where you can run pretty fast, actually get a little downhill as you get a little bit farther along the boulevard. You'll take a left-hand turn, more downhill, that takes you down to the water. Once you get down by the water, the wind will be out of the east, a cross breeze, not really a headwind for you. Nice place to run there. And back in the general direction of Gano Street. Now you're on Gano Street. You're rolling right along, slight downhill. Man, your half marathon's going very well as you come around India Point, back onto South Water Street, back by that brand new pedestrian bridge, and the home stretch. You're past 12 miles at this point. 13-mile marker just before you take the left-hand turn and right up back near Burnside Park and into that great finish area. Now, keep in mind, if you're about a 2.5-hour half marathoner, some of the faster marathoners will be on the course with you finishing, as they start a half hour earlier, and some of them will be finishing in faster than 3 hours. So just know that there will be some people running pretty fast who are finishing up a marathon while you're finishing up a half marathon. I hope it's a great race for you at the Providence Road Races.